track because this bloke is absolutely blistering.
So from Melton, the Ramjet driver, just over the hill, well, just a little bit further over on the flat is where GM Motorsport is, just off the first exit to the Melton area. Here's the GM Motorsport outfit. This is fast, this boat between point to point. It straightens up. Their heads wobble around the G-forces that are in there. He's got an extra special restraint on the driver's side to stop his head moving around too much. He had dramas with it prior to that being fitted. And have a look at this lap. This is good stuff from Melton. He has got plenty of driving in 2012. He had the World Series in New Zealand. He drives the V8 Utes. He's here this weekend, and he is really giving the 2012 championship a big effort because he is currently number 2 in the world. Have a look at this driving. It is nothing short of fun down there at Superboat's corner. Gets across the line at a 44.944 points. That is a ripper.